Yeah, I just want to get it put together. So hopefully I can probably start it next month. That's my goal. Next month, do it. Start putting it back together and
Man, you
stuff.
have to call me when you put
Yeah,
this boy in the air, man. I'm gonna have to
yeah.
be here when you
Well,
do this.
I told a few of my friends, I got the numbers, so I'm gonna put you on the list too.
Yeah,
That when
definitely.
I'm in the air, I'm gonna fly by you above your house, and I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna say hi.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, everybody thinks I'm a fool, but no, I love to fly. I've flown with my first girlfriend's dad had a plane. He
Oh,
took me
really?
up in the plane. Yeah, I was 15 years old. Loved it, dude. I
Loved
was
it.
like, yeah.
Look, the people look like ants from the ground, didn't they?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, and I actually flown the plane. I do have a YouTube channel of it. I did fly. I didn't take off, but when I was in the air, he let me handle it and turn and all that there and stuff like that. So I did fly a plane.
So you became an
So
aviator.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's
Nice.
what you want to call it. Yeah. So yeah, man. So yeah, can't wait. Can't wait to get it, start working on it and stuff. The only two I'm missing is I forgot what they call them. It's some type of pliers. It's a funny name. If I would have them, then I would have had all this done already
Oh, okay.
and
So,
riveted.
so
So
okay, you just
yeah,
riveted. I see
yeah,
that.
yeah. So yeah, I
It looks
got
lightweight.
yeah, yeah. It is. This is all made of aluminum, but the whole plane is made of aluminum. They call these the ribs. They're made of aluminum. Everything's made of aluminum. So the plane weighs 400 pounds, I think. So once the ribs and everything is put together, it becomes really strong.
Okay.
Yeah, it comes really strong. You can walk on the wings and stuff, and yeah, it becomes strong.
Oh, you can
So,
actually walk on the wings.
yeah, well, you can step on it to
Step on.
get
Oh, it's
into the
sturdy
yeah,
enough. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
right,
Okay. I
yeah.
see it.
So,
Okay.
but yeah, it's real sturdy. So
Man, that's gonna be awesome, man. I'd love to see that when it's
yeah,
up in the air.
yeah, I'm gonna paint it all red and stuff. That's my favorite color, red.
That's right.
So red and silver, I think I'm gonna go with, or red and black. So
Red and black. I think red and black
yeah,
will top it off. You'll see it real
yeah,
good in the air.
right,
Y'all know that red and black. Y'all
yeah,
know how we rolling. Yeah.
yeah.
So that's gonna do it just
Then I'm
like
gonna
that.
put Aaron's Customs on there. Bloop.
Okay.
So
You
yeah,
know, yeah. You got to shout
yeah,
out your business, Aaron
yeah,
Customs,
yeah.
most detailing.
So heck
It's
yeah.
Aaron Customs Custom Detailing. Am I
So
correct?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So
You
yeah,
want to
once it gets
shout it out?
Aaron's Customs, auto body and detail,
That's right.
which is gonna be soon called Aaron's Customs Color Chroming.
Color chroming.
Color Chroming, yeah. That'll come to you next.
Okay.
That'll come to you next. That's another business I'm gonna start up and get out of the auto body business.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I really want to get out of it and stuff. I like doing what I'm doing, but I really want to do my own cars, buy and sell and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
True entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. Do your own.
Yeah.
Who's that down there? Hey, mama. Hey.
Diamond.
Hey, Diamond. She's always in part of the show.
Yeah.
She's a good girl, though. All right, I'm going to wrap this up, man. I'm going to holler at you guys. We'll talk to y'all later. Peace.